This hidden faceless YouTube channel has made only 91 videos, has millions of views, is less than a year old, and what's more, it's monetized, making thousands per month. They make motivational story videos, and some of them are less than 4 minutes long. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make similar videos and passively make thousands per month with the use of free AI tools in less than 5 minutes. Let's have a look at one of these videos. I have muted it, so I don't get a YouTube copyright strike. But as you can see, they have simple animated images, a voice-over narrating the story, text, and some background music. The story itself is motivational and has a moral at the end. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a 200-word motivational story about a boy with a moral at the end. If you want to increase the length of the video, just increase the word count. Okay, great. Now let's ask it for some image ideas we can use as prompts. So type, I want to create a YouTube video from this story, so give me image ideas for each paragraph. Now let's go to Leonardo AI, a free AI image generating tool. Sign up to it by clicking on I'm whitelisted if you don't already have an account. Once signed in, click on AI image generation. Make sure Leonardo diffusion is selected. And the image aspect ratio is 16.9, as that is the ratio for YouTube videos. Copy and paste each image prompt that was generated by ChatGPT into Leonardo AI and put anime style at the end of each prompt. Click Generate and choose an image from each generated prompt you would like to use. Upscale it to give you a sharper image and download it. Do this for each prompt until you have all your images generated. Now go to canva.com and under Templates select YouTube Video Chapters and upload all your AI images into Canva by clicking on Upload. Click on the image to put it on your blank canvas and stretch it out so it goes past the canvas and extend the length of the scene. Click on Animate and choose an animation for the image. I'm going to use Photo Zoom. Do this for all your images, making sure to extend the length of each scene. Then click on Share and Download to download it. Now we need our voiceover to narrate the story. You can use any AI voice-over software. I'm going to use 11 Labs. Copy and paste your story from ChatGPT into here. Select a voice that best suits the story and click on Generate and then click on Download to download it. Any words in the story that are in speech marks, use a different voice-over to make your story more animated and to retain viewer retention. To bring everything together, we will need a video editor. You can use any video editing software. I'm going to use CapCut as it's a great free online video editor. Go to CapCut.com and open the online video editor. Import your video from Canva and all your voice-overs into here, and then drag it onto your timeline to edit it. To slow down certain scenes, click on Split and Speed and adjust the speed. Make sure everything is in sync. To add background music, you can go to Upbeats and sign up for a free account. The link is in the description, and download any background music that suits your story. Don't worry, all these background music are safe to use on YouTube. To add captions to your video, simply click on Text and Auto Captions. This will automatically create auto captions for you. When you're finished, export your video by clicking on Export, and here is the final result.
Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Liam. Liam was known throughout the village for his unwavering determination and indomitable spirit. He had a dream that seemed impossible to everyone around him: to become the finest painter in the land. However, Liam's journey was far from easy. He faced countless setbacks, from his initial lack of skill to the harsh criticism of his work. But every time life painted obstacles in his path, Liam picked up his brush and kept on painting. One day, a renowned artist visited the village, and Liam eagerly showed him his paintings. The artist scoffed and said,
"Your work is amateurish. You'll never make it as a painter."
Crushed by the words, Liam was on the verge of giving up. But then, a wise old painter in the crowd stepped forward. He said,
"Young Liam, don't let anyone define your worth or your dreams. Remember, even the greatest artists were once beginners. Keep painting and improving, and one day, your art will inspire the world."
Liam took those words to heart. He continued to paint, learning from his mistakes and evolving his style. Years passed, and his perseverance paid off. His paintings began to touch the hearts of those who saw them, and he indeed became the finest painter in the land. The moral of Liam's story is that no dream is too big, no setback too great, as long as you have the courage to persist and the belief in yourself to keep going. Like Liam, never let the criticisms of others or your own doubts define your path. Keep painting your own masterpiece of life, and one day, the world will recognize your greatness.